Hello. I am not a real person, but I have a purpose, and I wish to talk to you about that. My parents call me Israzion. I am a small business with a big vision. But I prefer to think of myself as a child of the future. I often ask myself, what kind of future do we have? Did you know that out of all plastic products you use for your comfort, only 30% can be recycled? The rest, 70%, is non-recyclable plastics. It stays with you and goes straight into your body, the food you grow, the water you use, and the air you breathe. From my point, our future looks plastic. My parents worked very hard to find the solution for non-recyclable plastic pollution. And that's why they brought me into this world.
How to turn a waste into very valuable product.
בסוף התהליך מקבלים carbon black, זה פחם שהולך לכל מיני תעשיות צמיגים, גומי, מצברים.
Israzion is helping to redesign the circular economy of plastic industry.
I am holding 2 patents of eco-friendly waste recycling technology that creates a high demand and high value carbon products from waste. This pollution problem is not global anymore, it is personal. It is a giant survival challenge that needs a simple and efficient solution. Just like in the ancient story of David and Goliath. Pollution problem will not go away unless we face it. Israzion, defining the circular economy for plastic industry.